Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists. Pleased to offer reference number 37. This 2011 Isuzu NTM 190. This 7.5 ton refuse truck has a Euro 5 engine and an NTM K-MIDI refuse body. It's got a trade bin lift, reversing camera, and has come to us direct from the council. This very clean truck has only covered 71,000 miles. If you'd like further details on this or any other equipment, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out our website hopdeals.com for all the latest stock.